However, I tell you that all it takes for you to make money on the internet is just by following these three simple steps I'm about sharing with you in this video. And this step is simple. One, you create. Two, you upload. And three, you get monetized. As simple as that. So guys, with this said, without taking much of your time, if this is your first time on this channel, help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button. Also like this video as well. And don't forget to drop a comment in case you want me to help you with anything. So guys, the first thing you need to do is simply click on the link that's in this video description and to take you straight to this CapCut homepage. Now, once you land on this homepage, all you basically need to do from here is simply click on it says AI tools. Now, most of you actually think when I make these tutorials, you think I'm using the premium version of CapCut. And the truth is that I'm using the free version. So let me show you right here. Because when I come over, you can see that what this is the free version that I'm actually using to do this. I have not upgraded to any plan. Now, the next thing you need to do here is simply once you come over to AI tools, now just come down here, click on it says free AI video maker. So guys, once you arrive on this page, the next thing I want you to do is simply come down here. Now, once you come down here, I want you to click on it says inspirational. Now, basically come to inspirational. Now, once you come over to inspirational, there are so many inspirational options here. You have the anxiety relief from God, inspirational quotes, keep fighting, today's horoscope, lesson for success. You have so many of them right here. Now, basically, you can go with any of the ones that you actually want from here. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with the lesson for success option. Now, the next thing is simply basically click on this particular one. Now, you see here, once you click on it, CapCut is automatically going to give you a short video script on it. You can see important lesson for every leader. Now, you see, once you come over here, there are so many avatars. You can select anybody here. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with Sir Author, the Visionary. Now, once you come over here, you need to add a short description. Now, you have two options. You can either go with the default one that CapCut is offering you, or you can put in a little bit of working by going for a custom script. Now, this script, you're not going to write anything. So basically come over to here and then head over to ChatGPT. Now, the next thing you need to do here is simply, you basically have to ask ChatGPT to give you some success lesson. Now, basically over here, they say important lesson for every leader. Now, basically what I'm going to do here is simply, I'm going to tell ChatGPT of becoming successful. Now, basically hit on send. Now, once you do this, you just have to sit there and ChatGPT is actually going to generate this information for you. Now, I see hook, which is the opening scene. Success isn't an accident, it's a formula. Now, basically, you can see ChatGPT has given you a little bit of it here. And according to ChatGPT, this will take up to 3 minutes. Now, what you basically need to do here is simply ignore everything. Just copy this information here. Click on copy. Now, I'm going to copy this. Paste it. And then add some space. And then come over here. Copy this one. Now, once you paste it in like this, you select whatever avatar you need, and then you click on where it says create. So now, guys, our video is ready. Now, let's play the video and see how it goes. Now, in order to make you guys hear the video as well, let me just come over to my screen recorder and then enable desktop audio option. Okay, my microphone might pick it as well, so no need for that.
You could be successful at anything if you're willing to put in the work. It all starts with your mindset. You have to have the belief that you can and will succeed. Successful people aren't fearless. They just act despite being scared.
So now, guys, you see how simple. Now, this one actually generated a video of 1 minute 32 seconds. Now, the reason why I went for this first option is that this option is going to give us short form video. And this short form video is very important to whatever thing we are coming to do, because we all know that when it comes to Facebook, TikTok, and then YouTube, short videos get the most views, which means that they are going to give us the most followers. So for that reason, we are basically going to use the short form video to actually start the channel. So basically what you need to do here is simply, now you need to download this. Now, in order to download this, you can basically come over here to where it says export, and you can basically export it. And on the other hand as well, you can delete any of the avatar at any section and then replace it with whatever thing you want. Or you can even switch the point. If you think the point 2 is better at point 1 or something, you can basically switch it from here. Or you can just click here and then duplicate it as well. So now, guys, now that this video is ready, basically we are going to click on export and then come over here
enter file name. So I'm just going to say success lessons. I'm just going to use this, and then video resolution, go for a higher quality to get something more decent. So 4K will not be bad, so go for it, or you can go for 1080p as well. It's not a bad option. And then the frame rate, go for 30 frames per second. Format MP4, and then basically click on export. Now once you click on export, you just have to sit back and then wait for this video to finish exporting. So guys, after making the short video, now here's one thing you need to know. Short videos will actually help us get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views faster. But then, in order to make more money, we need to create long form videos. So in order to create long form videos to go in hand with the short videos, here's what we are going to do. Come over to this AI video maker again. Now once you're over here, click on it, it says new project. Now the reason why we need to create these long videos is that when we have long videos mixed with short videos, we can use the short videos to drive views to the long videos, because the short videos are going to get a lot of views, which will automatically convert to the long videos, which means that whilst the short videos is giving us a lot of views, the long videos are making us a lot of money. And for that reason, we need to make sure that whatever long video we are creating is related to a short video. So we created a short video that is about how to become successful, which is becoming successful. That simply means that we need to create a long video that also talks about that particular topic exactly. So in order to do that, once you come over here, all you need to do is simply click on where it says create one with AI. Now you need to enter topic. Now remember, the topic we need to enter here must be related to the one we created as short. So I'm just going to go back to my ChatGPT. So guys, now that we are into ChatGPT, we are just trying to create something related to the short video we created earlier on. So basically, for the topic option, just enter, and then over here you need to enter some key points. Now basically, you see this topic here, just copy it and then head over to ChatGPT. Now tell ChatGPT, now basically send it. Now you just have to sit back, and ChatGPT is going to give a 20-minute video. Now here's one thing you need to understand. We said 20 minutes doesn't necessarily mean that the video will be 20 minutes long. The reason I will say 20 minutes is because this AI, so when you tell them 20 minutes, you end up with 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10-minute range. You are not going to get up to 15 minutes even in some situation. So when you are telling them to give you the script for the long form, make sure you target 10-20 minutes, because the higher you go, the higher the chances of you actually getting a reasonable length of video. So ChatGPT is done generating it, and you can't tell me that this script here is enough for a 7-minute video. Now basically what we need to do here is simply, inside the script here, just copy the informations here, the description, which are the key points in the video. Just copy them, come over here, they paste them at where it says key points. Now you come back again, copy the next, so let me just put this over here and then paste it in, copy the next. Now I'm just going to pause this video right now, then copy all. So guys, now once you paste all of these key points in here, the next thing is simply come over here and select 10 minutes. Now over here on CapCut, you don't have up to 20 minutes, so just select 10 minutes. Now once you select 10 minutes, you can basically come over here to where it says scenes. Now when it comes over to scene, now they are going to show you some options that you can actually select for the avatar. Now basically come over here and then select any of these ones here. But the best thing I like is simply, I like letting AI actually generate their characters to use for me. So basically I'm going to come over to where it says media, and then you say generate AI media. Now when it comes over here, make sure you set your aspect ratio to 16:9, which is I would say a landscape resolution. Now next up is simply the character, how you want your characters to appear. Do you need them as this 90% animated, or you need something realistic? So I'm just going to go for realistic. And then once you accept that, now come over here to voiceover, come over to voices, and you can just play all the voices here and then go for the one you actually like. Now I have my favorite voice placed as favorite here, so I'm just going to select this particular voice. Now before we go to the rest of the things here, let's click on where it says create. Now once you click on create, now this AI is going to create a script from the key point that we've given to the AI. Now we just have to sit back and then wait for it to actually give us this script. So guys, now you can see it's done generating script from the key point that we've given it. Now the next thing, simply just click on where it says use. Now, in case you don't like, you go through the script and then you don't like the script, you can just click on it to regenerate again. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to click on use, that I'm okay with this particular script. Now, next up, you come over to scene. Remember everything I showed you earlier. Come over to media and make sure you say generate AI media, and then click on apply to all scenes and then confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, you still have to sit back, then it's going to generate the media that each of the scenes actually need. So guys, now all the medias have been added. The next is simply come over to element. Now we need to add some nice captions to make the video a bit better. So for that, basically come over here and then select any of the captions that you actually like. As you all know, I like going with a quick brown fox, so I'm just going to look for it. Okay, the quick brown fox, here's another version of it. Now once you click on it, you see once it applies, you are going to see it right here. Now the next thing you need to do is simply, you can come over to background music and then come over to music, and you can just go for any sort of background music you actually want. Now for the sake of this video, let me go for motivational music. Let me just search for motivation. Let me remove the music. Now I'm going to get so many motivational music here, so let me play this first. Okay, this doesn't sound bad. I'm just going to click on the plus here, then it will be added to the video. Now let's play it. Okay, so I can also remove the music just by clicking here. And then the next thing is simply we need to add the audio again. So basically come over here to the elements. Now once you are done, come over to voiceover, come over to voices, and then select this particular voice. Now you can go for any other one that you like. I've tested this one and this is my favorite, so I'm just going to click on apply to all scenes. So guys, now that the voiceover is also added, you can see the video is actually 6 minutes long. Now let's just play it and hear.
Wrong. We've been told it's about working harder.
Now basically for the sake of network and everything, the video playback might be poor now, so basically we'll have to download it first. Now okay, that is the title. Quality, I'll go for high quality. Resolution, go for 1080p. Frame rate, go for 30 frames per second, and then click on export. Now whilst you're exporting it, let's just sit back and wait for it to finish exporting. So guys, whilst this video is exporting, let's just go and upload the one which is the short one ahead of time. Now the reason I want us to upload the short one is because there's one issue that a lot of you often have when it comes to uploading these videos. Now firstly, in order to upload a short video, basically come over to your ChatGPT, and then just ask ChatGPT to generate a video title and description for your short. Now for the long video as well, you are going to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm just going to click on save right now for the long video to start downloading. Now it's just 93 MB. It's going to complete right now. So now guys, once you are done with your short, you basically come over to your YouTube channel, head over to your YouTube channel dashboard, and then come over to where it says upload, and then select file, and then basically select that short. Now in my own case, I've already uploaded a short, and now here's one issue a lot of you are going to have. Now you see that, let me come over to content and then come over to short. Now you can see I uploaded this short, but then if you look at the visibility, it says blocked. Now look at YouTube, they say this video contains copyrighted material. As a result, it has been blocked worldwide. Now some of you are going to have this sort of issues on your channel when you upload this sort of video generated by CapCut. Now here's a solution to this. Basically click on the video and then come over to your dashboard. Now whenever you upload the video generated by this AI, don't send it live immediately. Set it to unlisted. Now once you upload it, now come over to this place where it's going to show you that video is blocked. Now basically click on where it says view options. Now once you come over here, now you can see that they did not block the video itself. What they blocked was the background song, which is in it. Now for that reason, the video is not outside. Nobody sees the video. Now in order to make this video go public, now come over to where it says take action. Now once you come over to take action, YouTube gives you multiple options. You can dispute the claim, you can replace the song, or you can just remove the song completely. Now one thing you can do here is simply come over to replace and then click on continue, and YouTube is going to take you to the audio library where you can basically pick any song to replace it. Now you can just come over here and then come over to set it to attribution not required. Now, when you say attribution not required, meaning you are not going to give credit to whosoever on the audio you are going to use. Now, you just have to play some of the audios here and see. So basically, you can test any of those audios and go with whatever thing you want. Now, to make this video faster, I'll just come over to this option which is erase song. Now, once you click on erase song and then click on continue, YouTube is actually going to pick this audio out of the video. Here is it.
You can be successful at anything if you're willing to put in the work. It all starts with your mindset. You have to have the belief that you can and will succeed. Successful people aren't fearless. They just act.
Now, once you click on remove, erase all song, click on preview. Now, hear the video without the song.
You can be successful at anything if you're willing to put in the work. It all starts with your mindset. You have to have the belief.
Now, you see, with or without the song, there is no much difference. So there's nothing wrong in telling YouTube to just remove the song that is giving you copyright issue. Now, this is a problem a lot of you actually have when you upload this short. It's basically because you get copyrighted. Now, just click on save. And then once your edits are applied, they will be permanently and can't be undone. You can still retrieve your original video with Google Takeout. Now, what to expect? It might take minutes to hours for your changes to apply. During processing, viewers will see the current video and editing will be unavailable. After the edit is successfully applied, we will update any visibility or monetization restriction. Now, just click on where it says acknowledge and click on confirm changes. Now, your video that was blocked by YouTube before due to copyright or got demonetized by YouTube due to copyright will basically be free once they are done going through it, because what you've requested them to remove what is giving you the copyright issue, so they will just remove it and your actual video will still go live, meaning you can later on monetize your channel. So now guys, now I've shown you how you can create both the long and short videos. Now here's one thing you need to do. In order to make sure that what you are making money from your channel, make sure you upload at least 2 to 3 videos every single day. What I mean by 2 to 3 is simply, it takes you less than 20 minutes to make these videos. So since it's taking you this short time to make the videos, what you can basically do to get the best part of it all is basically make sure that what you are uploading 2 to 3 every day, maybe one short, one long video, and make sure that you are connecting your shorts to the long video. In this way, you will actually grow your channel very fast and get to make money from it. Like this channel is a brand new channel that I've started, and I'll be uploading this sort of videos on it. I've done it before and I'm here to do it again with a total different channel. So basically use CapCut to generate these videos and then upload them on your channel, both long and short form videos. When you have any copyright issue, basically just do what I did right now and you're basically good to go. So guys, with this already said, hope to see you in my next video. Please acknowledge my effort by smashing that subscribe button. I recorded this video 2 times. I recorded it last night and I realized that there was a point whereby my recording system actually went off. My audio wasn't recorded. You can see I was editing the video already halfway before I came back again to come record this other parts to add up to it to make sure I get the video completely. So make sure to smash that subscribe button. So just say thank you for my effort on coming back to complete the video, despite already doing halfway through yesterday already. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.